why did you choose FIITJEE only?
Most important reason is FIITJEE provides personal development as well as academic development at the same time. We should learn to expect the unexpected. If you think that preparing for any competitive exam requires many sacrifices, it definitely does. But I think the result is worth all of those.
आज हम बैठे हैं ऑल इंडिया रैंक 19 सुरेन के साथ। सुरेन, व्हाट मोटिवेटेड यू टू परस्यू योर करंट पाथ? प्लीज बताइए थोड़ा अपने करंट पाथ के बारे में।
Yeah, so I was interested in maths from my childhood, and that's why I decided to study physics, chemistry, and maths in class 11 and 12.
ओके
And I joined FIITJEE to prepare for the IIT JEE exam, and I secured an all India rank of 19, and currently I am studying computer science at IIT Delhi.
ओह वेरी नाइस। सो हाउ डू यू फील?
Yeah, it definitely feels nice to be in such a prestigious institution and to be able to study the subject of my choice.
सो व्हाई डिड यू चूज FIITJEE ओनली फॉर दिस?
So I think the most important reason is FIITJEE provides personal development as well as academic development at the same time for the student.
हाउ?
So for this, the faculty at FIITJEE, they are a constant support system for the student throughout their journey. So let's say in the journey of any aspirant for the JEE, there are constant ups and downs. So you need a support system to help you propel through the phases where you are not performing up to the mark.
एब्सोल्युटली।
And I think the faculty definitely helped a lot, especially during those times. So this builds confidence, and such character traits are definitely important for achieving what you want in any competitive exam. So that's how I think the faculty at FIITJEE gives both academic as well as personal support to the students.
ओके, पैटर्न में भी कुछ ऐसा आपने ऑब्जर्व करा व्हाट लाइक सेट्स इट अपार्ट फ्रॉम अदर्स?
Yeah, I think about the pattern, the constant assessments which are held at FIITJEE, they are what sets FIITJEE apart from other coaching institutions.
Okay.
Like I had a test, let's say every other week. So and at the end of the day, you have to attempt a test. The JEE is also a test.
ट्रू।
So that prepares you for what lies ahead, what is your final goal. So that's how I think FIITJEE is different from other coaching institutions.
तो आपके हिसाब से कोचिंग और ट्यूशन में क्या फर्क है?
Coaching is a very structured institution when compared to, let's say, tuitions,
ओके,
because at a coaching you have specialized people for everything,
राइट।
be it teaching or preparing the study material or preparing the practice tests and whatnot. Also analyzing the previous exams, previous JEE questions to see what patterns are being repeated in the questions. So you have specialized people for everything, which is not possible in a tuition because there's obviously limited staff available in a tuition. So that's how studying at a coaching is a very different experience than studying at a tuition.
True. So, if you could speak to your younger self during your FIITJEE days, what advice would you like to give?
So as I already mentioned, there are constant ups and downs in the journey of any aspirant.
Right.
So what I would tell my younger self is to just take a break whenever I feel like, whenever I am a bit stressed about what will happen in the future, etc. So as let's say not studying 2 days, 3 days in a period of 2 years won't affect your final rank a lot. So it's okay to take a break, but
It's okay to take a break.
yeah, but not too frequently, obviously.
Right, right. मतलब कर्म करो पर चिंता मत करो फल।
Exactly.
ओके, ग्रेट। एंड एक बहुत ही ज़रूरी सवाल है कि ऐसी कौन सी स्ट्रैटेजीज या माइंडसेट रहा आपका जिसने आपको काफ़ी हद तक हेल्प करा चैलेंजेस, क्योंकि हर जर्नी में फेस करते ही हैं, तो उनको ओवरकम करने में ऐसा क्या माइंडसेट था और स्ट्रैटेजीज विच रियली हेल्प्ड यू?
I think the key here is positivity
Okay.
and confidence. So during let's say when you start, I started my preparation in class 9, but I was not preparing just for the JEE. There are many intermediate exams as well. So I would say just focus on the next step, and you keep taking these small steps, and then you build confidence. You gain you are very positive throughout if you perform up to the mark. And if you don't, obviously there's a scope for improvement, and you get to know where the room for improvement lies.
Right.
So I think taking these small steps at a time helps you to propel yourself towards the final goal. Directly thinking about the final goal is not very helpful in my opinion.
First,
These small steps are what matters more.
इट्स ट्रू, पॉजिटिविटी में बहुत ही ज़्यादा पावर होती है। बिल्कुल। तो इसी बात पर उन न्यू एस्पिरेंट्स को आपकी तरफ से कोई मोटिवेशनल संदेश आप देना चाहेंगे?
Yeah, so as I said, exactly, focus on these small steps.
Right.
Your version tomorrow should be a better version of yourself today. Keep making these small improvements, and consistency is the key, I think. So by consistency, I don't mean studying X hours a day every day. I mean just putting in constant effort, and that effort can definitely vary depending on what situation you are in. But keep putting in those efforts, and I think you will see drastic improvements over time.
So can you please walk us through a day in your preparation journey during for like competitive exams? How it was like, how your routine was during your FITG days?
So I had joined the weekend program at FITG.
Okay.
So I had classes on Saturdays, Sundays, and also some weekdays whenever necessary.
Okay.
On a day when I had classes, I used to wake up by 8:30 because the classes started around 9:30.
Right.
And then I just used to attend classes until evening, after which I would come home and take a break, maybe revise the stuff done in the class, do some pending, let's say, complete some problems given earlier in the classes, and then call it a day. On other days, I used to be pretty flexible, like wake up around 9:10 maybe, start studying until lunch, then have another study session until the evening. And I used to keep at least 1.5 or 2 hours of relaxation every day, because as I said, it's very important to not get stressed, to not get burnt out during the journey.
True.
So I used to play with friends, with my brother, etc. Then study another couple of hours during the evening, or maybe if not possible after lunch. And I used to sleep around 1 or 2 in the night. This routine might not work for everyone, but as I said, be flexible with your routine, but be consistent. Just stick to whatever suits you.
बिल्कुल। तो जेई मेंस और जेई एडवांस में क्या डिफरेंस है? Like we say that you should prepare, you should always have the target set on JEE Advanced so that you reach somewhere near. तो JEE मेंस में better performance की high probability रहती है, right? तो आप कितना सहमत है इस बात से?
I view it like every subject is a collection of different concepts.
Okay.
And in the JEE main, let's say, the question will be slightly more straightforward, requiring less number of concepts in one problem. You are more likely to figure out what concept will be used in which question based on, as I said, the number of concepts per question is smaller, if you were to say it like that. While in the JEE Advanced, it's like a sort of a compound problem which requires multiple concepts from maybe different chapters, if you were to classify it like that.
Right.
And also, the JEE main questions usually stick to the NCERT because they are aimed at a wider audience, and the JEE Advanced slightly trickier compared to, let's say, what you study in school or in the NCERT basically.
ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ एक सवाल आ रहा है आपकी तरफ. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Honestly, I do not have a very clear picture in mind because I am stepping from into a new phase of life.
True.
Right now, I am a student and I'll be stepping into the professional world after, let's say, 6 months.
Right.
So I'll just try to explore the different opportunities which the professional world presents. As I said, life is a journey of improvement. So I'll try to improve myself also while keeping a balance because it's a new place for me.
Absolutely. तो थ्रूआउट दिस जर्नी कोई ऐसे स्पेसिफिक चैलेंजेस थे या कोई टॉपिक जिसको करने में बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी और फिर आपने कैसे उन चीज़ों उन हर्डल्स को क्रॉस किया? तो ये ऐसे प्लीज़ बताएं हमें, हम सुनना चाहेंगे आपका एक्सपीरियंस.
So I was not very good with chemistry, honestly,
ओके.
and I was quite comfortable with maths and physics, and I loved doing problems, reading about new concepts. But chemistry was my Achilles heel, if you were to say. Uh, the way I overcame that is by constantly reading a lot, by doing a lot of problems, because chemistry is a lot about knowing stuff before you can apply it in problems. So reading is a very important part. I used to ensure that I was focusing more on my weak point, which is chemistry, during the later days of my preparation. Give more time, dedicate time to the chapters which I was weak in, and that's how you just improve. For this, I think tests are very important because through constant assessment, you get to know your weak points because you have to know what you are weak in before you can improve.
बिल्कुल.
So tests help you find room for improvement and then just keep it a point to dedicate more time to your weak points, and ultimately they might even become your stronger points.
करेक्ट. तो प्लीज़ थोड़ा आईआईटी दिल्ली के बारे में बताइए, अपनी कॉलेज लाइफ के बारे में, योर पीयर ग्रुप.
IIT Delhi is definitely a wonderful place to be in,
राइट.
both academically and also for personal growth,
ओके.
because the peer group is excellent. They have been selected through a very rigorous process. Obviously, it's very famous for its academic rigor,
राइट.
but I think apart from that, the personal development is also very important in the life of anyone. So I think IIT Delhi has helped me both academically as well as grow personally, mainly because of my peer group.
Oh, that's very nice. So, how does it feel to reconnect with Fiji and add value to the lives of current and future students through this podcast?
I usually enjoy connecting with people who are going through what I have already gone through.
Okay.
In short, I like to give back to the JEE aspirant community a lot. I am a part of various groups where people discuss problems, where people share problems which they create. I think time is the biggest gift you can give to anyone. So I like to help people by giving my time, be it sharing my journey like I am doing right now, or even mentoring them academically. Although that is slightly more time consuming, I like to connect with students from time to time.
आपने सभी सवालों के बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से जवाब दिए हैं. Now let's move to the rapid fire session. What are your short-term aspirations?
So since I'm stepping into the professional world, I just want to be a better version of myself every day and overcome the challenges which this new phase of life presents, all while exploring and keeping a balance.
Okay, and what are your long-term aspirations?
Honestly, I don't have a clear picture in mind because, like, over a long term, I think we should learn to expect the unexpected.
Right.
Yeah, so taking these short steps is what I think is more important in life.
Okay. So what's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is cricket.
Cricket. And do you play it?
Yeah,
Like you said earlier.
yes, yes.
Right. Who's your favorite scientist and why?
I'll choose the pioneers of quantum mechanics, maybe because they pioneered a new way of doing science, and also they had to struggle a lot to convince people that to believe in their theory, since it was a very new theory in those days. So the struggle of convincing people that their theory is worth looking into is itself a story that I like. So yeah, maybe those scientists.
एक ऐसा सक्सेसफुल मोमेंट आपकी फिजी जर्नी में जो आपको बहुत ही मेमोरेबल लगा एंड विच यू वुड ऑलवेज लाइक टू चेरिश एज अ मेमोरी.
So one moment of success that comes to mind is my JEE main result.
Okay.
This might be strange because people put JEE advanced way over JEE main.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, but I think the reason why it's special for me is in 2021 there were 4 JEE main attempts, and I was doing pretty well in all the attempts,
Right.
but I was not able to secure 100 percentile in the first 3.
Right.
So when the final result came, I was expecting my rank to be around 30, 40, I don't know, but it came out to be 20. And I think happiness is a function of what you expect versus what you get.
Right.
And in the JEE Advanced, like, I already knew my marks, I already knew the marks of friends and other people, so I was expecting a rank around 20. But in the JEE Mains, it was a surprise to me because my rank was around half of what I was expecting.
Right.
So this is a moment that me, my family, my teachers, I think all of us found very special.
हाँ, so that became all the more special.
Yeah, because of the surprise element.
Right. तो आपके पेरेंट्स का क्या रोल था आपके जर्नी में?
For anyone who is a teenager,
Right.
I think you can join any coaching, you can join any school, but the most amount of time that you spend is with your parents.
Right.
So it's important that parents provide constant support to the student. They cannot help a lot academically in most cases,
Understanding.
but being a constant support system and motivating the student is a very important part on the behalf of the parents, and I think my parents did that very well. So yeah, that's I think one of the most important duties of a parent, which my parents definitely fulfill.
So what kind of music do you like listening to, and what are your hobbies and all? I mean, what do you like to do generally?
So I am into reading, and I like reading fiction mainly.
What's the current book you're reading?
So I am reading The Firm. It's a legal thriller,
Okay.
by John Grisham.
Okay.
And in terms of music, I am not very particular. I'll just listen to whatever comes in front of me. Let's say when I open Spotify.
Oh, like that.
Yeah.
Depends on the mood.
Yeah.
Right. So before we wrap up, as a token of gratitude, we have a special gift for you. Please accept this.
Thank you. Thank you.
This is for your precious time जो आपने दिया, और आपके जितने भी मोटिवेशनल मैसेजेस थे उनसे आई होप काफ़ी न्यू एस्पिरेंट्स को सीखने का मौका मिला होगा. एक फाइनल ऑल द बेस्ट मैसेज जो आप उन एस्पिरेंट्स को कहना चाहेंगे.
So all I would say is just focus on whatever lies ahead, focus on your goals, and if you think that preparing for any competitive exam requires many sacrifices, it definitely does. But I think the result is worth all of those. That's I think the most important thing to keep in mind.
Okay. All the best. Thank you very much, Surendra.
Thanks for inviting me.